Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to track re-renders inside your React.js application. Like this methodology can be used in React Native as well, and this will help you to improve your performance of your application as long as it is a React.js application. So in this example I am using Next.js, and we will be using this third-party dependency called why did you render. Now the advantage is that this will be used only in dev. It won't work in prod, but make sure if you are deploying to prod you remove this dependency from your project as well. So all you have to do first is, so I'm using Next.js because that is the recommended approach by the React.js team. Create React app is dead, I think, and you should not be using it. Anyways, so first you can install the dependency, something like this. Okay, once you install the dependency, now what you have to do is you will have to create a TypeScript file called ydyr. You can name it whatever you want, and here you will have to add this bit of code. Like I have just copy pasted it from the documentation. All it does is that if you are in the development environment, it will track all the components which you have inside your code base. Once you do that, what you can do is you can don't import this inside your layout.tsx. It was not working for me, so what I did was I imported this inside page.tsx. And once you import it inside page.tsx, you also have to write this bit of code, like whatever component you want to track. So home dot why did you render equal to true. Okay, so this is my page. Also inside this page here you can see I have created another component called page. So this is not really a page, this is like a component, just a React component. I should have named it differently, but anyways. And here also you can see that I have added some bit of code over here, and I am just displaying inside an h1 tag. And here you can see I am again importing this file which we have created, and I have also added this bit of code. So all you have to do is, in every component which you have created, you will have to add this import as well as you will have to add this bit of line, and this will help us to track which pages are unnecessary causing re-renders. So inside this page.tsx I have no code, I am just referencing this. So here can you tell like what is causing the re-render? So you can pause the video if you want to, but the issue is that like it is fairly obvious, like I have just commented this out. So here you can see the initial value is world, and inside use effect I am again setting it to world. So this is causing a re-render. You are unnecessarily changing the value which is the same value. So how do I know like which component has re-rendered, right? So what you will have to do is, I will just I'm starting this application. Okay, I'm on localhost 3000, and here you can see I'm just seeing this hello world. I will like refresh this page. Like I have cleaned the console log, but I just refresh this page, and you can ignore this error for now. Like I think this error is from that why did you render dependency, because it was not updated properly like for the past few months. So but here you can see that it is telling you, okay, which component re-rendered. Okay, sorry about that. So this page component re-rendered. So here you can see it is saying page component re-rendered, and it also tells you like it might be sometimes difficult to know what exactly is causing the re-rendering, because in real application the state management might be a little complex, but at least it tells you which component to look into. Okay, and here you can see that it tells that different objects that are equal by value, and if you look into this it tells the previous value, and also previous value, so both are same, right? And if you want you can go into details if you are curious, but this way. And now how do I resolve this re-rendering? So like an easy fix would be I will just add this if condition. If it is not equal to world, then only set this. Okay, and I will now just refresh it. So here you can see now I don't see anything inside the console log, no errors as such, no re-renderings as such. So yeah, this is like an easy tool to easily know what is causing re-rendering inside your application and to improve your performance of your react.js application. So yeah, sometimes one thing I would like to tell you is sometimes like I have tried it in my own application, not this one, but if you are moving from one page to another page, sometimes this library gives false positive. So if you are instead of suppose I will just remove this again. Okay, I will again refresh this, and here you can see. So sometimes if you are navigating from one page to another page, sometimes this gives a false positive because Next.js internally using some kind of fast hot refresh, something like that. And here you might see something like React Dev Tools. If you are getting those kind of false positives, you can ignore those, like don't spend your time. I think those are false positives. If I'm wrong, do let me know in the comments, but here at least it tells us what component is re-rendering. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.